I would like to say a big thank you to you for coming to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy what you find. This is going to be a short video about getting started with your digital marketing strategy, part 3. Customers checklists, testimonials and reviews. Include a checklist of customer endorsements is an excellent means to build social proof for your business. Marketing a service online can be challenging because it requires a level of trust fund from the individual. Are you who you assert to be? Are your products as excellent as you claim they are? These things can help you construct that trust fund with your customer. Reviews from actual individuals or organizations go a long way in the direction of putting these concerns to relax, as well as guiding individuals to make a purchase decision on your site. Actually, data recommends that an incredible 67% of people shopping online are influenced by results reviews. Not just must you have a page dedicated to endorsements, yet you should also consider putting individual reviews directly on your item web page. Contact page. At a minimum, get in touch with page must consist of name, address, as well as contact number of your service. Likewise, called your NAP, these things are vital to your regional SEO and aid make certain that you're found quickly online by people browsing in your area. A durable core page nevertheless likewise lists points like hours of procedure. A Google Map area response to FAQs, full answers and questions, link to social media site systems and also contact kind. A call kind makes it simple for your people to contact with you and also that's connect with you, as well as allow you to catch the email of possible clients so you can market to them in the future. As a general tip, only include a couple of areas in your type because having way too many can be a barrier of entry for individuals trying to reach you. Unless your services or products are very intricate, all you do is just put name, email, as well as a room for their inquiry will probably be enough. When creating your internet site, there are several components to keep in mind that will certainly increase your internet site's performance. Make certain that your website tones promptly. This is a frequent neglected location of contemporary site styles. The secret to be a successful user experience is convenience of use and also simplicity. Nothing can dissuade a possible client from detaching with your brand name faster than a slow loading or badly designed website. Likewise, a website that tones rapidly will assist your general search engine optimization. Do not invest in fancy graphics and also various other bells as well as whistles if you can't support them. For example, parallax scrolls and also similar techniques can contribute to the experience, but only in certain instances. If any kind of fancy addition to your internet site feels abnormal or distracting, it might be wise to do away with it. More affordable data strategies and an increased broadband assistance for mobile devices have actually brought about a steady increase of mobile individuals over the past few years. Plan for much of your website traffic to come from your mobile website, as well as develop a responsive style that will permit mobile users effectively to discover your offerings. For an in-depth overview, head over to Smashing a Magazine. Lastly, do not take too lightly the power of copy on your website. The duplicate is what search engines will creep when they choose whether or not to offer your site to someone searching on Google or Bing. Bear in mind that copy in a photo isn't crawlable to a search engine. It merely looks like an image, not a helpful duplicate. Branding is greater than simply your logo, as well as colors on your advertising material. A solid brand name conveys your firm's character. It matters not what you're marketing. It's not an item, it's not a service, it's an experience. Some branding do's and also do nots. Do have a look at the competitors. Do not assume little. Do maintain it easy. Do not transform on impulse. Do eat, rest and breathe. The brand. Online store Beard Brand came to be £120,000 per month e-commerce organisation by concentrating on developing remarkable brands as defined by founder Eric Bandholz on Reddit. You ought to think about constructing out a brand name overview as well as sharing it with your company so every person understands the ins and outs of your company identification. Some fundamental building blocks of this consists of logo designs, color patterns, internet site advertising and marketing materials, and logo. There's a reason why the Coca-Cola logo hasn't altered much since 1886. The logo design is not simply representative of the soda. It's part of the culture. The company has utilized refined adjustments to its logo designs to share a feeling of time and history as they expand their product. But the significance of the Coca-Cola logo stays undamaged. Your logo design is the face of your brand name. All various other advertising should match and also include business logo. It doesn't have to be complicated, but make it different. Make it stand apart. The one-of-a-kind marketing points of your item must be highlighted in the style and also execution of your logo design across your internet site. If your developer wants ideas, there are countless supply pictures as well as designs, Shutterstock, to get the innovative juices moving. Picking a logo is crucial, so collate many options as well as concepts. Utilize the advantage and the downside of each design. Logo Pond and also Logo Mousse include chests of logos to arrange via your formulate and your concept. Color pattern. When you have a logo designed in position, The next action is to select a color combination. Some brand names take their shades so serious they have actually gone as far as to trademark them. Invest a little time learning more about the psychology of color and choose a scheme that shares the high quantities you desire your brand to stand for. Reds have a tendency to be extra effective and also vibrant. Yellow is happy and enjoyable, as well as blue are charming as well as calming. These characteristics do not just reach your brand name's color design, however, must be taken into consideration when choosing colors for points like switches on your kind. Think about just how Ups, Tiffany's and also Apple use colors in their products and also marketing. From Heaven Tiffany box to the clean white of Apple's products and also stores, these companies see color as a vital expansion of their brand name. Website. We've spoken currently concerning the foundation of an excellent website structure. However, as for design goes, you require to ensure that your website looks outstanding. It should integrate your logo naturally, and your color design should be utilized on all aspects of your website, like from switches and also symbols. The photos on your site should line up with your brand name messaging also. Evoke the feelings, portray. They need to be top quality as well as speak with your target market. Nike does a fantastic task of this. In addition to outstanding product shots, they include great deals of amateurs as well as expert athletes on their site, which talks perfectly to their core demographics. Advertising materials. Your website, banner ads, email marketing campaigns and social media site ads profiles are your main resource of digital advertising and marketing products, and all of these should match your style overview. Constantly seize the opportunity to offer your possible clients something to remove them with. That's why smartly branded boodle, shoulder bags, canteen, t-shirts at occasions can be so effective. You must additionally consider creating publishing, advertising and marketing materials like business cards, sales brochures and also present cards. The more you get in front of possible customers, the more probability they will utilize you when the need occurs. I hope some of that helped you out. I also hope you succeed online. I didn't think I was ever going to, but eventually I did. It's just a matter of perseverance. If you like my videos, please press the like button down below. Also, there's a bell up the top. If you ring or press that and just click on all, you'll get informed when my next video goes online. So this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here